Looking for style, space, and value in Braeside, central southwest Calgary? This home has over 3,000 square feet of living space, a wonderful 4-level split floor plan. Let's have a look. This 4-level split has over 3,000 square feet of living space and it's move-in ready. Step inside to soaring open beam cedar ceilings and a flexible floor plan with 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. Need extra space? Check this out. Over 800 square feet of finished studio space with a private entrance and full washroom. Perfect for a home office, teen hangout, in-law suite, or rental. And for the hobbyist, a massive heated garage, 26 by 28 feet with water and gas hookups. Outside, enjoy a private backyard with mature trees, green space out front, and a short walk to schools, shopping, transit, and the Southland Leisure Centre. Family-friendly and investor-friendly, this one checks all the boxes. DM me today for your private tour or more information.